Hello and welcome back to tutorial 127, and I was asked the question as to really, does the program have to have a data to? And the way it's written at the moment, it certainly does. So if we go ahead and on the screen here, go to symbol and we remove data to, we're going to see an error. The program's applied, we're assuming a data to, but of course the whole point of this is that we don't really want to be in a situation where we have to have data to. So let's go to the programs, and the first thing we're going to do is just going to turn off everything that is applied to data to, which in this case is just the EMA cap. And what we're going to do is go to the program tutorial 127, and if you just scoot down the program a little way, in fact line 61 here, you'll see that what I've done is I've set the interval span to be equal to the bar interval of data 2. And the reason I did this was just to show how the values compared between this program and another program that was actually calculating the EMA using data 2. And what bar interval does, if we just right click and look at bar interval, is tells us how long the interval is for a particular bar. Okay, so you'll see a bar interval gives a number, which is the interval of a particular bar. But what we want to do, if we just get rid of that and can just comment it out, and we could just put in a value. So for example, we might want a 49-minute bar. So let's add a semicolon and verify that. And now if we go back to the chart, we can go and we can turn back on this tutorial 127. In fact, make this subgraph 1 same axis as the underlying data, and then we'll see that we have the exponential moving average, 49-minute exponential moving average on a 5-minute chart. And of course you could go further than that. You could make this into an input, so you could call it interval vol and then copy that into the inputs. So we just create a new input statement, just change it slightly this time, verify, and now when we go to the chart we can actually just change the number there. So format, techniques, for example, make it into 61, and we'll see the values changing. Okay, so I hope you might find that useful. Thank you.